Hello, Mr. Stephen. Today I'm going to talk about a really interesting scientific problems that deeply related to human being as a whole, which is handedness. So, similar to most aspects of human traits, handedness is convoluted and seems to be heavily influenced by a multitude of elements, including genetic factor. So, what is handedness? Well, handedness, also known as hand reference, is a disposition towards being more skillful and at ease with utilizing one hand rather than the other for tasks such as writing or ball catching. Although the figures for the proportions of handedness among individuals varies worldwide. In Western countries, in particular, witness 85 to 90% of people who are right-handed and 10 to 50% of left-handed people. So we can see that we are living in a right-handed dominant society. Moreover, we also have mixed-handedness, which is the ability to flexibly changing hands for different purposes, and ambidextrous. This is the ability to perform tasks equally well with either hand, though exist. These two, though exist, are utterly uncommon. And reference become increasingly apparent at the initial stage of one's lifetime and inclines to be consistent so forth. Nevertheless, little is known about its biological basis. Hand reference probably occurs as part of the developmental process that differentiate the right and left side of the body, which is called right-left asymmetry. More specifically, handedness appears to be related to differences between the right and the left hemisphere of the brain. According to neurologists, the right hemisphere controls movement on the left side of the body, while the left hemisphere controls the right side. This accounts why people contracting with stroke tend to have half of their body paralyzed. Research have proved that there is a genetic or hereditary element to handedness, but while left-handedness tend to run in families, neither left nor right-handers will redetermine their offspring to have the same handedness like them. In fact, approximately 6% of children with two right-handed parents will be left-handed. However, among two left-handed parents, 40% of the children will also be left-handed. In case of one right and one left-handed couple, 80 to 85% of the offspring will be right-handed. Even among identical twins who have exactly the same genes, 1 in 6 pair will differ in their handedness. And this is also the end of my talk. Thank you, Mr. Stephen, for listening.